If atoms had an address system, how would electrons know where to sit? Let's find out. Electrons fill the closest shell first, like filling the front row of seats before the back. Shell 1 holds just 2. Shells 2 and 3 each hold up to 8. Silicon has 14 electrons, so its configuration is 2, 8, 4. Common mistake: never put more than 8 in shells 2 or 3. Fill each shell to its max before moving on. Remember, 2, 8, 8. Fill in order, keep it straight. Shell count gives the period, outer electrons give the group. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.